did want to at least come back and tell you about the BOUCLEME products. I do want to let you know that this is not third day hair. The reason being is because once I finished my hair and I wore my hair the rest of that evening, the smell was just kind of, you know, pretty strong, and I figured that it would go away. Tied my hair up, went to bed, and I still smelt that very medicinal, herbally type scent in my hair, and it lingered all night long. It actually started giving me a headache throughout the night, and when I woke up the next day, I still had a headache, and I was going to go ahead and try to just wear the hairstyle, but it was just too much. It started just to be too much. So it's a very strong smell in my opinion. Now, I've had the products for a while, so I don't know if that is how it's supposed to smell. So if any of you have tried the products, have them, let me know in the comment section if you've had the same reaction. But mine smelled very herbally, very medicinal, and just very strong to the point that it gave me a headache. So I had to wash my hair the next day. I could not keep it for 3 days. So I just wanted to be honest with you there. I will say though that it surprised me, because when I got up on day 2, even though the smell I couldn't take, my hair still felt pretty soft. It felt like there was nothing on my hair. There was no product on my hair, but I just had curls with a little bit of frizz, and it just felt like natural hair. So I like that feeling. You couldn't feel any stickiness. You couldn't feel any like any kind of greasiness or oiliness. You couldn't feel any crunch of any kind. My hair just felt like regular hair. So that was nice. So that made me think, man, I want to try it again, just because I like that feel to my hair. There's not a whole lot of products that I have used that gave me that feeling. Now, there are products that I use that leave my hair soft, but you always can feel somewhat of a hold on it, or you can feel somewhat of something making it feel moisturized or whatever, you know. But this just felt like just dry hair. If you've ever washed your hair and just let it dry on its own, and it just felt like your hair was dry, not dry in that it needed moisture, but that it was just dry where it wasn't wet, just felt like dry hair. That's how it felt, and it felt nice, and I had the curls and everything. So I do like that. So that is a pro about those products. The cons, like I said, is very strong. I do feel that my hair was somewhat dull looking. I didn't think that it had a lot of shine or anything like that. And yeah, I just don't know that I would use it again, just because I can't. So if you are sensitive to smells, I would say stay away from those products, especially for the price. And I don't think that the hold is that great. Like I said, I still had some frizz. I still had some curls, but I definitely had a lot of frizz. So it's going to be a very fluffy hold with that gel, in my opinion. And I'm trying to think. I think I did get a little bit of flaking as well. You know, in my hair. That's right, I did. I had a little bit of flaking up here and some in sides, but I was going to try to keep it for 3 days just to see, you know, because I could work with that, try to, you know, hide it or camouflage it or whatever. So anyway, so for those reasons, I probably won't try it again, but I did at least want to come on and just share with you why I had to wash it out and how it felt, as far as just feeling like hair, and just feeling like, you know, just healthy plain hair. So if that's the kind of feeling that you guys like, you might try it. If your hair is thinner than mine, then it might be something that you would want to try as well, because you may get better curl definition and things like that. So anyway, yeah, guys, just wanted to share that with you. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I'll try to answer them. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.